Guys, welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to save your past Twitch broadcasts. This is going to be really quick. Let's get into it right now.
Yeah, I'm like, oh god, oh my god.
Okay, so first you're going to want to come up here. I'm currently signed in on Twitch. I'm offline right now. I haven't uploaded to Twitch in a while, but you just want to click your profile on the top right here. Can I move this out of the way? Okay, I can't. Then you're going to want to click dashboard. Click that. You're going to come over here to the left hand side under settings, and you're going to click channel. Click channel, and the setting is going to be right here. Right here under your stream key, you just enable that, make sure the check mark is good. Save it, and you're all set. Every Twitch broadcast will be saved up to 14 days. It'll be longer for Twitch Prime users and stuff like that. So if you ever want to take your old Twitch stream and edit it, upload it to YouTube, you can do it, get your raw footage on Twitch and do that. Also, make sure to head over to my channel, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you guys know exactly when I upload. I upload every other day, so be on the lookout for that. I upload on a consistent schedule. That's good. So yeah, sub if you're new, leave a like on this video, comment your thoughts down below, any video ideas would be nice. And, yeah, see you guys in the next one. And you can also follow me on Twitter. Peace.
Torno for the watch, Prezi plain Jane, Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes Linka feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria.